How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident.io. As of today, we are 65 wins, 0 losses on our trade calls. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about a lot of data on Bitcoin. You can't afford to miss this. Now, there's not any news worth mentioning in the market today for Bitcoin, so we're going to head straight into the analysis. First up, we're looking at the Bitcoin Emotional Index. This is something that has me worried right here. We have pushed into neutral territory here despite the price actually dropping. The higher this blue line is, the more and more likely it is to see a drop in the market. You can see we just barely pushed into excited here and it caused a major drop in the market, and that's pretty consistent. Just back here, a tiny push into excited saw a drop, tiny push into excited saw a drop. So if this blue line actually does end up moving into excited, this could actually be super bearish for Bitcoin. Now that's a little bit disheartening to see, and as we look at the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector, it has me even more concerned. We're currently sitting exactly in the breakout zone. Historically, when we see a reading at or below the breakout zone like we saw right here, we see big moves. Now, I know these two right here show significant moves down, but there is some hope. Back here, we actually saw a move up. Right here, move up, so it's really tough to tell. All we know is our first data point here is bearish, and right here, we have a possibility of a large move. Now, I wanted you to take a look at what whales are doing here. The Bitcoin Whale Smart Money metric will help you track whale sentiment. As of today, we have our first orange bar. This means they are more likely to see short trade sentiment in the market. Now, this is not a great sign. If whales begin shorting, that's almost guaranteed to drop the price of Bitcoin. Not good at all. However, take some heart here. It's not until we see negative 800 or lower that we typically see those drops. Now, before we move on to the next metric, I have an announcement for you. You're going to want to pay attention to this. It's going to be very relevant. Travis, the founder of Trade Confident, will be releasing some members-only content tomorrow. It's going to show that Vanguard and BlackRock are secretly buying into Bitcoin right now and gobbling up huge quantities of certain Bitcoin stocks that hardly anybody knows about. He's going to share exactly what these stocks are and show you the exact percentage and dollar amounts each company owns, and show you where you can purchase them in tomorrow's future forecast video. We are confident some of you will make more money in these stocks than Bitcoin itself, and Travis is going to explain why tomorrow. You cannot afford to miss this. Get a full access membership at this link. Links in the description down below as well. You're going to want to watch this video if you want to make some easy money. Moving on, this is going to show our next target. If Bitcoin drops, our current structure support is $25,810, but if we drop any further, I don't think it's going to be much farther down than $24,750. I think there's just too much structure support around this line. This personally has me a little bit more hopeful. Personally, I'd much rather see moves up to around $28,477, but based on the bearish metrics, this could actually be a problem. Next, you're going to want to look at the Bitcoin long versus short trades. If you see even a tiny tick up in long trades, this will push the price upwards. However, if you see a tick up in short trades, this is very likely to drop the price. Long and short trade volume is one of the best predictors in the market. That's why we pay attention to this metric, and Bitcoin is so big. I mean, look at this. This right here is also a massive scale, so even the tiniest movement could shoot the price of Bitcoin in crazy directions, depending on whether long trades or short trades are moving up. Last but not least, you need to be looking at the Bitcoin trade signals chart. I still have hope for the strong buy signal. We did see a little bit of a move up here. However, I don't think this is the move that the strong buy signal indicated. I think it's very likely we could see bigger price moves up. This is really what I'm hoping for. I think it's highly unlikely, but if we see a sell signal, this would be very bearish too. So be on the lookout for both possibilities. As of today, things are looking a little bit more bearish. This has me very, very nervous, very, very concerned. If you're a crypto trader, you need to be paying attention to exactly what Bitcoin is doing in this market. It moves the rest of the market with it. If you want to get access to the future forecast video I showed you earlier, it's going to be crucial that you pay attention to this. This is going to be some extremely important data. If you want to get access to our winning trade setups here, 65 wins, 0 losses, 13 active trades, you can join right now. All you got to do is join our membership at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down here, click more, and the membership will be the very first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. Your best trading days await. On top of all scalping trades, all metrics, morning brew overview, future forecast videos, trade signals, live Zoom coaching every single month, and more, you're going to get access to massive indicator coupon codes, members only discounts that make it significantly cheaper to access our state-of-the-art indicators. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we are so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thank you so much for joining me in today's Bitcoin video. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.